Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change photo settings in Inshot on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course, you just have to open your Inshot right here. I'm gonna open mine. After, go ahead to this gear icon at the top right, which is the settings options. And now in this page we'll find out the photo settings. If you wanna change it, you just have to tap on it like this, and as you can see I use the auto here guys. So if you wanna change it, for example, for the smaller file, this one, and for the JPEG, and after you can use also for the PNG, the highest quality. So if you wanna change it, you just have to tap on the options. For example, I'm gonna choose the highest one, and now you just have to go back because it will save automatically guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to change photo settings in Inshot. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.